we decided that the coolest and cleverest thing to do is to go on a camping trip in the middle of rainy season. What can go wrong? Everything. Believe it or not, it's raining in rainy season, and it's super windy and super cold, and we thought we'll put the small tent up, but it won't stay up. It's so sad. Show the tent. So then we just have two blown up mattresses with like this slumped tent on top of them.
Yeah.
And a car full of stuff. And it's cold and rainy and windy. And this is the worst decision we've ever made. I don't know what to do. Do we go home? Do we sleep in that? I don't think we can do the big tent, can we?
Yeah.
It's too windy.
Yeah.
What do we do?
We can try
Try what? The small
the
tent?
big tent.
Can we? Really? What now?
I solved the tent problem.
Well done. It's standing.
Yes.
And now we have no problems. I mean, we have a place to stay. We have raw meat that we can just eat raw. Sorted.
Yay.
This isn't miserable at all.
Oh.
This is lovely. What a treat in summer. Yeah.
Yay.
Well, I don't know what you want me to say. What solution do you want to come out of my mouth?
Okay, let's sleep for 1 hour in the tent.
Why? Right now?
Yes.
I'm not sleepy. I just had a 2-hour nap. That's what we did, by the way. We arrived here, decided we'll wait until the rain stops. So we'll have a nap. When we woke up, the rain stopped for a total of about 5 minutes. And then it was raining again. I haven't even left the car yet. I've been here for like 2 hours. We've done nothing. We just slept in the car. And you put up a shitty tent.
But the wind will be better soon. In 1 or 2 hours.
You said 10 o'clock. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. You said 10 o'clock, the wind will stop. You also told me at 6 o'clock, the rain would stop.
Yes.
And that, what happened to that bloody philosophy? I don't see that.
Okay.
It's raining harder.
Okay.
What a depressing day. We have officially given up on camping and we're going home. So Yosuke is putting down our now very, very wet tent. And the air mattresses he decided to put up. We've given up. We're going home. It's miserable. So see you next time. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye with your face.
Bye-bye.